Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing Realme X versus Redmi K20 Speed Test. So these both phones are most anticipated phones and I'm so excited to see which phone performs better. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and have your notification on so you don't miss out my upcoming videos. If we talk about the design, they look similar, but I really like the K20 design. Realme X has a dual rear camera and the K20 has a triple rear camera. Talking about its software, the both phones are running on Android version 9, Realme X comes with a Snapdragon 710 and the Redmi K20 comes with a Snapdragon 730 processor. And yes, both phones comes with a pop-up camera. So let's start off our speed test with the fingerprint sensor. And the both phones seems to be unlocked at the same time. And now let's move on to the speed test. No recent apps are open. Now let's start the timer. And the Redmi K20 is little faster in opening apps. The Redmi K20 is 10 seconds faster than the Realme X, but the Realme X is little cheaper than the Redmi K20. So yeah, that's it for today guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching the video, I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media, the links will be in the description below.